So I'm going to show you how to use a Jade roller to naturally plump the lip area and reduce little smoker's lines around the lips. You're going to take your Jade roller after you've applied a little bit of lip balm or moisturising serum, and we're going to work along the lips. So boosting circulation, having a really nice cooling and plumping effect as well. Then the other side. Then you're going to work up and down, lips closed, breathing in and out through the nose. Then work up and down the nasal labial folds and the marionette lines. And the other side. Then use a small part of your Jade roller. Make an O shape with your mouth. We're going to work around the lips. On 1/4 of the lip. And the other quarter. The bottom. And the other side, and you're all done.